Guys, gang, what it do? What it do? Guys, today, you know what? I was like, I don't feel like looking for samples today. I am probably just going to take it easy today. We're just gonna do regular Gunna type beat. I'm gonna use whatever VST I want. I'm gonna make it sound however I want. It's nothing in particular. I just was like, you know what? I haven't done one in a while, so I'm just gonna do that. But if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like. Join my Discord as well. Don't forget to join my Discord. Okay, very important that you do that. My Discord's lit. I'm about to do live streams. Guys, I know I haven't been doing live streams, okay? I know, but I'm, school and all that. It's just really annoying. So I'm gonna try my hardest to do more live streams, okay? It's just really hard. I actually really want to do one today before this John Jones fight, but yeah, hopefully we can get done with these two videos, or with this video and the next one I'm doing. But also don't forget to comment, share the video, and like the video as well. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well, because if you don't, you are a lame. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, we're making a Gunna type beat. What do Gunna type beats have? You guessed it, guitars. What VST has some bomb guitars, guys? Oh, hello. I haven't talked to you in a while. How you doing? All right, yeah, you're gonna have to go away, Apple software. Oh my God, oh no. All right, where are the guitars at? Do I want to start with the guitars? Because I don't normally, kind of want to use my keyboard right now, but nah, I do want to use my keyboard. Classic nylon, where is it? There we go. Alright, we'll start off with that. Why does it do that? Okay, this is cool. I like this melody, but we gotta speed this up. This is a little too slow. Alright, cool. Let's change the sound now. Actually, ooh, do I wanna... Alright, let's check out gross beat. We're ready to go. We're ready to go. Let me know in the comments if I should make a guitar loop pack, guys. Cause like, my guitar loops are fire. Alright, this is clean. Let's try the Glorious Steel. Alright, that is insanely fire. Okay, now we need a counter melody. Alright, so we're gonna look for a counter melody. Forget this. I'm using it going to the drums now. I'm wasting way too much time right now. I'm going to the drums. This is ridiculous. This is literally draining right now. Okay? Okay, let's just... .808. Alright guys, so my camera died real quick and I had to change out the battery. So yeah, this is what I got so far. I have like the main melody, drums, and alright, let's work on these hi-hats and then I'm gonna finish up and then we're gonna be done. So And I guess there you have it, guys. That beat took much longer than I needed to. I see, the thing is, not all beats need counter melodies, and I was wasting my time looking for a counter melody because I thought it needed it, but it didn't. It really didn't. The guitar sounded fine. Pattern was good. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. If you guys liked the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, join my Discord, and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.
Unorthodox.